Let's put your Lexus screen protector on in a few simple steps. First, you're going to remove the plastic that is currently on your screen. Wipe the screen with the wet cloth provided to ensure there are no fingerprints, dust, or any marks of any kind. I then wiped the screen with the dry cloth to ensure there was no dust sticking to the wet spots. Carefully peel the backing off the screen protector and avoid touching the sticky part. I held on the corner when peeling to avoid this. Line up the screen on the sticky side. One tip is lining it up with the circle dial at the bottom. From there, you can remove the rest of the backing and stick the entire screen on. Set the screen with one simple swipe across. From here, I took the dry cloth and wiped any bubbles that may have appeared. If a bubble will not go away, you can carefully peel back the screen to re-smooth it down and push the bubble out. I also took a credit card and wrapped the dry cloth around it for extra smoothing. Connect with us at Lexus of Edmonton for help. There you have it.